Assalamu alaikum. How are you guys? Hope you all are fine. It's me, Asma, and welcome to Graphic Tea. So today I'm going to show you that how to download free music and without copyright for your YouTube videos or for your personal use. And it's a big issue for graphic designers, video editors, YouTubers, and video creators. So now I'm going to solve all of your problems. First of all, I'm going to clear that what is copyright. Copyright is when you copy someone's picture or video or just like music or anything you copy from anyone. So the person you copied will restrict you, or YouTube can restrict you also, and your channel can be blocked and you will never be able to monetize your YouTube channel. So it's a big issue. So now let's start. First of all, just open your channel and go to this. You can see your logo at the side, at the corner. Just click it, and if you don't have any YouTube channel, no problem, you can use your Gmail ID. So just go to YouTube Studio. We are going to audio library, where YouTube uh, will give you free music without any copyright restriction. Now you can see there are so many musics, and you can see there are total 30 pages. Now YouTube will also give you some sound effects, and you have also free musics, so you can play the music here. And which music do you like, you can always download it. The music is playing. Can you hear it? So my speaker is very low, I know, so that's why I don't think that you can hear it clearly. So you have so many moods, just like happy,
Swear I
sad,
won't
dark,
forget this.
angry. So there are so many musics here, and you can also add it to your favorites, and if you like it you can download it, and you can also buy a license. And you have some sound effects here, and these are sound effects, such as there is kids playing. If we play this sound effect, mm, it's too light, yeah, I know. It's too slow music. Now that was another thing. uh, we can also search YouTube channels on YouTube. There are so many YouTube channels, such as we have this YouTube channel which name is Background Music Without Limitations. So this YouTube channel is very good, and it have so many and beautiful musics. So you can see here and here there are so many musics. I use its music in my videos too. For example, I take this music. So our music is here. And but one thing in this channel is you must have to give the credit to the artist. If you don't, your channel could be blocked and your video couldn't be able to monetize. So please give the credit to the artist if you use it. So you have to just copy this matter and paste it to your description. If you don't, your channel can be blocked. So now we have another channel which name is No Copyright Sounds, and it have so many beautiful tracks, and there are very beautiful musics, and it's very relaxing. Now the another one is Trap Nation, and it's good too, and it's very like hip hop music. And we have And if we go to the other channel category, you can see there are some other channels related to this category. You can also click to this channel and go to that channel, and you can always download the music from here. Now we have another website which name is freepd.com. You can also download free music with the help of this website. For example, I'm at the home page of this website. You have so many categories such as upbeat, positive, world, scoring, electric music, and you have page number 2. Now I'm at the home page, and it's giving all the information about its website. If you don't pay anything, you can enjoy the site, download any mp3s and use them how to want. And if you pay $10, you can download 800 plus mp3s at once, includes the Creative Commons Zero license. Use them how you want. And if you pay $25, you can download 100 plus wave files from the main catalog. Download 800 plus mp3s option in case you don't want wave. Includes the Creative Commons Zero license. Use them how you want. So it's your choice. If you don't want to pay, you can do these three options. Now for example, we take upbeat and positive sounds. So we have M, and you can see there are so many sounds here. For example, I'll take this sound. So if you like the song, just download it from here and the song will be yours. So I think that everything is clear to you guys, and I hope that this video was helpful to you guys. And if you like the video, just give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.